In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to limit comment length in WordPress. Long comments may be challenging for other readers to engage with. By setting a comment length limit, you ensure that comments remain concise and readable, promoting a better user experience for everyone. To do so, log into your WordPress admin dashboard, hover over Appearance, and click on the theme file editor. We're going to achieve this functionality using some small code. Now, go to Theme Functions, scroll down to the end of this code snippet. I'm adding the code here. You can copy the code from the description below. Once you're done, let's update the file. I've set the minimum comment length to 20 words and the maximum comment length to 150 words. You can change it as per your requirements. Now let's check the changes. Refresh the page and let me add a comment of less than 20 words. You can see the error message here. Now, if you want to learn how to allow image uploads and comments, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. And this is how easy it is to limit comment length in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.